Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, smallnialong or Nia Cara, whichever you prefer. And today's video is another reset, a Sunday reset that I recorded a while ago, but I'm finally getting to editing for you guys. We are starting off by cleaning the bathroom, and I didn't show y'all me cleaning everything, but best believe I cleaned absolutely everything from top to bottom. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. While editing, I realized while recording this video, I actually looked a hot mess. Again, I'm not the girliest girl. I'll always be working on it, but I'm trying to keep consistent. So you guys could talk about me in the comments. It's okay. So I didn't record myself like cleaning the toilet all the way, just this little clip. I don't know, I'm probably one of those people that just thinks it's a little bit odd. But after this, we roll into cleaning the trash can. And if y'all don't, you guys should wipe down your trash can. I'm not gonna lie. Just every once in a while. I'm not, the clean police, but just a tidbit of information. What days do you guys usually find yourself like giving your house a deep clean? For me, it's usually Sundays, Mondays, or Thursdays. like one of those days throughout the week, I just tend to find the energy to do things. But Saturdays are definitely my, like, fuck around, find out days. You get me? Yes, before we move on to the next task, wash your hands. You was doing a lot of cleaning, girl. Um, but I did want to show you guys what I was watching on YouTube, which was Pinely. I can't say his YouTube name right, but I'm like obsessed with video essays right now. So stay tuned. That might turn into something. But now that we're done cleaning the bathroom, and that did include like mopping the floors and stuff like that, we're gonna go ahead and clean out the fridge. Because that needed to happen. I'm not gonna lie. So I just show you guys me breaking it down and cleaning it out. And yeah. We took a quick break from cleaning out the fridge so that we could do laundry. And as I'm recording this, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, the next Sunday reset needs to start being recorded because I got so much laundry to do. It's not even funny. I left this part in for my ASMR girlies, so you guys are welcome. All right, y'all, I finally got it clean. I was gonna put all the sauces at the bottom because when you think about it, right, if it's too much weight on this shelf, it's gonna pop. And I was like, nah. So I put them at the bottom. These ones are unopened, so I put them in my eye view, besides soy sauce. And I like to reach for this. My cans, bottles, jars, Nia, jars, are right here. And then here, I saved some of my strawberries because I'm gonna eat those at some point today, probably for like lunch or something. Well, as a snack. So I just put them in there, and then you can see it's not a lot in my fridge, but we had to get it clean first to get there. Okay. All right. I clean, and I'm real proud. Got everything in there, what's left of my margarita mix. You get me? Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna take a little break so I can eat something, and then with the time we have left, we'll do the closet next.